Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox and install the Whitestone Dome glass for Galaxy S9 Plus. And now let's check out what we get inside the box. First we can see the UV light. And this UV light we can use it to cure the adhesive later. And then we get the USB cable for the UV light and the instruction manual in English. And on the other side, it is all in Korean. And then we have the cleaning pack. First we have the dust removal sticker and the alcohol wipe tissue and this absorption pad and the cloth, and we have more alcohol wipe tissue. Now let's take off the top tray, and we have the position bridge here. And we also can see that we have the 2 bottles of adhesive liquid. So this is in case if you fail the first try, you still have a second chance with this second bottle of adhesive liquid. And we have 2 pieces of speaker marking tape and the tempered glass itself, and of course the bottom tray, and that's it from the box. So to start the installation, first we have to clean the phone with the alcohol cleaner. So tear off the pack, and we have the alcohol tissue. It's very tiny. Then we start cleaning the screen. And then we have to dry the screen with the cleaning glove. Next step, we have to insert the Galaxy S9 Plus into the bottom tray. And now we can put on the masking tape. Make sure it is in line with the top tray. The purpose of this masking tape is to prevent the adhesive get into the speaker. And now we have to use the dust removal sticker to remove any dust that we found on the screen. And next we can put on the top tray. And then with this pin we have to insert on top of the tray. This is to hold the tempered glass. Now we have to use this adhesive, but first we have to install the position bridge on the top tray. Now we have to open the blue color cap of the adhesive bottle, and then we place it on the position bridge. And now we are ready to open the other cap of the bottle so that the adhesive will flow onto the screen. And we leave this for 30 seconds so that the adhesive will drip out from the bottle. And now we can remove the adhesive bottle together with the position bridge. And now we have to remove the protective film from the tempered glass. And now we can place in the tempered glass, and we have to make sure the top is touching the pin. Next step, we have to use one finger to press on the bottom of the tray so that the fluid will fall into the middle of the screen. Release your finger when it reaches the middle of the screen, then remove the pin from the top of the tray. And now we just have to wait until the adhesive spreading throughout every corner of the screen. When it completely covers the screen, then we have to use the UV light to cure the adhesive. First, we place it on top of the phone, and then we turn on the UV light for 15 seconds. and then we move it to the bottom of the phone, and same, we will turn on the UV light for 15 seconds. Now we have done the initial curing. Then we can remove the top tray and also remove the speaker masking tape. And then we can take out our phone. And we place it on top of a tissue. Then we repeat the UV light for another time, but this time we will make it for 30 seconds. Then we move to the bottom and turn on the UV light for 30 seconds again. Now we have done the installation process. Let's take a look at the result. We can see the screen is very clear. There is no bubble. We can still unlock the phone using the face recognition or iris scanning. The touchscreen is very responsive. There is no any issue with the touchscreen at all. Now you can see the screen is covered very well. There is no bubble. We can test it with different type of case to see whether the tempered glass will have any problem with the casing. As you can see, there is no issue with the case and the tempered glass. They are not touching on each other. Now test with the second casing. No problem. As you can see, the casing is not touching the tempered glass. And last, we have the TPU case that provided by Samsung when we purchased the S9 Plus. As you can see, the case is not touching the tempered glass, so there won't be any issue like popping out the tempered glass. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.